He has a Christmas light and a tree in the back of the truck. The auto parts store is doing it. New Positivity TV. Thought you guys would like to see it. Celebrating Christmas. Hey, whose truck? Oh, cool. What year is it?
1956.
Wow. Brand? What brand is it?
It's a Willys.
Willys. A Jeep.
Yeah.
Oh. New Positivity TV. Christmas tree at O'Reilly's Auto Park. Check it out.
I just purchased a 64.
How many miles on it? You don't know, huh?
The gauge says 22, but when did that stop counting? Probably 30 years ago.
Well, when did you pick it up? I mean, how long you've had it?
Goldfield, Nevada. I've had it for about 2 years.
Oh wow, you just saw it in an ad or what?
No, I have a place up in Goldfield, or I have an uncle who has a place.
Oh.
I asked him, I was like, got any interesting trucks? This is the mayor's truck up in Goldfield, Nevada.
No way.
He bought it in 64 off of a cousin, and he parked it in 98 due to a wiring issue. I bought it for $1,000, dragged it home, redid basically 80% of the wiring harness, and it just fired up and idled.
Yeah, the one thing that stands out is that alternator.
Oh, it was a 6-volt system before I touched it.
Oh wow.
And I was tired of the old 6-volt starter generator that barely turns, so I said, fuck it.
Would you mind starting it up?
I don't mind.
Yeah, I want to put it, let the people hear it on the channel.
I gotcha. Should fire right up in theory.
Wow. You know, it's a carburetor, so you got to play with those, not like fuel injection, you know.
Get her in there.
Got a good back. Oh, you got it plugged in there. There it goes.
There she is.
Hey, it sound better than some of the new cars. In what year again?
1956.
1956.
She doesn't like when it's hot out. It hates running.
I was gonna say when it's cold, it's probably hard to start.
No, it actually starts great in the cold. I was running it like maybe 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
I was fixing some timing issues because I had a ping going on. It was like 6 degrees over, or advanced, I guess you could say.
Wow.
So it's hot right now, and that's why I hate starting it. Boiled over. It's great. She runs like a champ. Can't beat it. It's just dumb that this thing runs so good. I haven't even
New Positivity TV, guys.